There's a new trend blowing up on TikTok and Instagram where TV characters are being turned into claymation parody animations. And when you look at these videos, you'll notice that many of them are getting millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these claymation animations yourself. Start by heading over to our website, AI Centuries. Once you're there, go to the GPT library, search for Claymation Shorts, and click Start Chat. This will redirect you straight to the GPT. Here you'll see two options: create a reference character or create movie scenes. Let's start with creating our reference character. For this example, we'll enter a male character in a tracksuit, then click Send. By doing so, the GPT will generate 5 different prompts for a male character in a tracksuit. Let's test them out. Start with the first prompt. Copy it, head over to OpenArt, go to Image, and click Create Image. Change the model to NanoBanana 2 and paste in the prompt. Make sure the settings are set to a 9:16 aspect ratio and 2K resolution, then click Generate. These are the ones it created for us. Let's look at the first one. As you can see, it did a great job creating that claymation cartoon style. This is the type of look you should aim for when creating your characters. The next one, however, looks too much like Disney Pixar, especially around the eyes, so I'm going to delete it. Once you're happy with your characters, simply download the ones you want to use in your video. For this video, these are the male and female characters we decided to use. Now let me show you another option. If you start a new chat and click Create Reference Character again, you can also upload a character you already have and turn it into a claymation style character. For example, if I want to turn this character into a claymation character, I simply upload the image and click Send. The GPT will automatically generate the image prompt for transforming that character into a claymation style. For this, copy the first image prompt, head back to OpenArt, upload your character as the reference image, and paste in the prompt. Before the prompt, add this line. Turn the character in at image 1 into a full-body, soft cinematic claymation cartoon-style character, and so on. Then keep the same settings and click Generate. This allows you to turn your own characters into claymation cartoon characters like this. We won't use it in this video, but I wanted to show you that the option is there. Now let's move on to creating movie scenes. Go back to the chat, start a new one, and click Create Movie Scenes. In return, you'll be asked to describe what happens in the scene, where it takes place, and whether there's any dialogue. For this example, we'll ask for both an image scene and a video scene. For the scene, we'll write something like, the character is talking to a girl in a pink dress in the kitchen at a house party. They're both holding drinks and flirting playfully with each other. Then attach the character you want to feature in the scene. Click Generate, and the GPT will automatically create 5 image prompts. For each image prompt, it will also generate a matching video prompt to bring the scene to life. Now let's start by copying the first image prompt. Head back to OpenArt and upload the reference characters you want to use for the scene. In this case, we'll use our male and female characters. Once the images are uploaded, paste in the prompt. Also, everywhere it says character 1 or character 2, replace those keywords with @image1 or @image2. This helps the AI understand which character is which and what actions they should perform. After updating the prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the resolution to 2K, then click Generate. As you can see, it creates a scene where both characters are standing in the kitchen at a house party, flirting with each other exactly how we described it. Now repeat the same process for image prompts 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eventually, you'll have multiple versions of the same scene. From there, choose the one you like the most. For this video, we're going to use this scene because it gives more of a college party vibe, while the others feel more like an adult social gathering, which isn't the style we're going for. Now let's move on to the video generations. Scroll down to the video prompts and copy the video prompt, then head back to OpenArt. For the video generations, we're going to use Seedance 2. Start by uploading the scene image along with the reference characters you want to use. For this example, we'll use the same male and female characters from earlier. Once everything is uploaded, paste in the video prompt. Just like before, replace every mention of character 1 or character 2 with @image1, @image2, or @image3. This helps the AI understand which characters and scene elements to use. Then go to the settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the resolution to 1080p, and the duration to 6 seconds, which works perfectly for a scene like this. Once the video finishes generating, take a look at the result.
Here standing all alone.
And who's you?
I'm your future husband in it.
Keep dreaming, you little boy.
Finally, once all your video generations are finished and you're happy with the results, upload them into Premiere Pro. Arrange the clips on the timeline, add music, sound effects, and make the overall edit fun and engaging to watch. Once everything is finished, you'll end up with a final video like this. Let's watch it.
Who's this pretty lady here standing all alone?
And who's you?
I'm your future husband, innit?
Keep dreaming, you little boy.
This 6-looking girl thinking she's a 10 just curved me. For real. All these girls in here think they're all that innit. Even little tweener glass boy Henry got his fish tonight. Makes me mad angry, bruv.
And that's it. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.